Bless
having
you.
lunch. Early lunch.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to be actually. Lunch will be in the south part
No,
of
no
Phuket.
lunch today.
So literally 4, right? 4 bottles of water. Let's go to the south. My face looks really oily. Airport service was free, so from here we're gonna go to the south. Ah, I think wrong. Did you get? Thank you. Cherry blossom, thank you. Let's have mango smoothie first. Cheers. Love it, love it. So cool. Is he coming? Weather is so nice. Weather. Good weather for smoothie.
That's the hill, remember? It's the sea. Yeah. Sky building. Yeah.
The sky. Yeah.
I work at 9:30 p.m. every day.
9:30.
9:30.
Nice.
Yeah, so we put like one scoop of detergent in there, and then
Yeah.
just one,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
just one. Yeah.
Exactly.
Cool.
why they. Do we have to go to different elevator or something? Ah, this one. Oh, 1.4. Nice. Yes. Nice, right? Look at that. What does it mean? So weird. 90,000?
90,000.
Nothing.
Do you have anything there? Money?
You have to withdraw. Wow, this is nice, right? Look at the view. Wow. Look at this. Again? Is this smoothie day today?
I'm gonna have to buy without asking.
What?
I'm gonna have to buy without asking you. You should be.
Really fast.
Is there like dishwash? Like soap? Dishwash soap?
I didn't check actually. I think they have probably. Yeah. Yeah, we can.
Only mine. I saw.
Yeah, I
I
don't.
saw a
Almost-
little bit like in the.
Almost done. I think we have to buy.
Bikini there is
There.
It's gonna be my pajama.
Pajama.
You get a drop pajama.
Yes. Wine here, babe. I told you. Most cheapest wine in Korea here is quite expensive. Let's have this Chardonnay. title.
For one person.
Thank you. I wanna try to have this sauce instead.
At least tastes good. The rice?
A bit spicy. These are really good, but your mango food is really small, right? You have to dig this pineapple.
Thank you.
Maybe was the last one. Good. You're shaking deep rice. Mahano hotel was. Sauce and different kinds of food. Looks good.
Really
though.
crunchy.
You want some rice? What did you say? Hi. 124 steps. Climbing up to the stairs.